In this video, I'll show you how to create a nickname on Facebook so it appears on your profile along with your main name. First, open the Facebook app on your phone and make sure you're logged into your account. Tap your profile picture to go to your profile page. Once your profile opens, tap the three dots next to the Edit Profile button to open more profile options. From the list of options, tap Edit Name. On the Name Settings page, look for the option called Add or Change Other Names and tap on it. Now tap Add a nickname, a birth name, or a professional name. On the next screen, tap the Name Type option and choose Nickname from the list. After that, type the nickname you want to add in the name field. You can also enable the option to show the nickname at the top of your profile if you want people to see it next to your main name. Once everything is set, tap Save to apply the changes. Your nickname will now appear on your profile depending on your visibility settings. That's how you can easily create a nickname on Facebook using the app. If this video helped you, don't forget to like the video and subscribe to the channel for more simple and helpful tutorials.